Over 70% of Indian families are just one tragedy away from financial collapse because they don't have term insurance. Don't believe me? Let me break it down what this really means. For less than 600 a month, what we easily spend on weekend coffees or snacks, you could give your loved ones a 1 crore safety shield. And in 2025, understanding term insurance has become more urgent than ever. In this video, I'll explain what term insurance is, how much cover you really need, which riders matter, and real cost of premiums in India, how to make sure your family's claim is never rejected. Stick with me till the end because this might be the most important 10 minutes you spend for your family's future. Rajiv Sharma, 38 years old, lives in Delhi with a wife and 2 little kids. One day, a tragedy strikes and Rajiv passes away. Now his family is left with limited savings. EMIs are piling up and no financial safety net. All because Rajiv kept postponing one small decision, buying a term plan at just $578 per month for 1 crore cover. Friends, this is not just Rajiv's story. According to IRDAI, less than 3% of Indians actually have term insurance and many of them are underinsured. That's why in 2025, understanding and buying the right term insurance plan is the most important financial decision you can take for your family. What is term insurance? Let's start simple. Term insurance is pure protection. You pay a fixed premium every month or year. If something happens to you during that time, your family gets a lump sum called the sum assured. Think of it as a helmet for your family's finances. You hope they'll never need it, but if life throws a curveball, this one decision can save them from debt, loans, and financial struggles. Who needs it and when to buy it? So who actually needs term insurance? Short answer, everyone with financial responsibilities. Breadwinners supporting their family, people with home loans or EMIs, parents planning for their children's education, even freelancers and housewives. And the golden rule is, buy as early as possible, in your 20s or early 30s. Premiums are the cheapest and get locked for life. If you wait till your 40s, premiums can be 3 times higher. And if you develop lifestyle diseases like blood pressure or diabetes, you may face exclusions or even rejection. So the best time to buy was yesterday. The next best time is today. 500 rupees today or 2000 rupees later. Buy early, lock your premiums for life, and give your family protection of crores. How much cover do you need? Don't just pick a random number like 50 lakh cover. That's almost always too low. A widely used thumb rule is annual income times 15 to 20 plus all outstanding loans that you have, plus 10 to 15 years of family expenses, plus future goals like kids' education, marriage, and parents' medical care, plus inflation buffer. All of these need to be under consideration. Let's see an example. So if you earn 50,000 a month and think 50 lakh cover is enough, you are under-insuring your family. That's like wearing a raincoat in a cyclone. A big no. Riders, the power-ups. Riders are like power-ups in a video game. A little extra cost, huge extra protection. Critical illness rider, lump sum if diagnosed with cancer, heart attack, kidney failure, and many more. Approximately 60 illnesses would be covered. Accidental death rider, extra payout if death is due to accident. Waiver of premium rider, if you become disabled or critically ill, premiums stop, but policy continues. Terminal illness rider, advance payout if doctors say life expectancy is under 6 months. Not every rider suits everyone. For example, if your family has a history of heart issues, a critical illness rider is a must. Riders turn your policy into financial superhero. Small add-on, big impact. The real cost in India. Here's the shocker. Term insurance is actually cheaper than OTT subscription. A 28-year-old healthy male, 1 crore cover for just $578 a month. Salaried employee, first year discount. Women, they get a lifetime 15% discount and 15% salary too if they are a working woman. So if you can afford OTT subscription, you can definitely afford term insurance. The difference, this one doesn't just entertain you, it protects you and your family for life. Claims, processes and avoiding rejections. Now, the most important part, how to make sure your family's claim isn't rejected. Always disclose the truth. Smoking, drinking, health conditions, hiding equals to rejection. Pay premiums on time. Keep the nominee details always updated. Store your documents where your family can easily find them. And then choose insurers with a higher claim settlement ratio. And the good news, in 2025, IRDAI has pushed for digital first claims processes. This means paperless claim filing, video-based KYC for faster verification, status tracking on mobile apps. Companies like AxisMaxLife also guarantee a 3-hour settlement for eligible claims. That's peace of mind, delivered almost instantly. Most claims fail not because of companies, but because people hide facts. Be honest, or your family could lose everything. Common mistakes to avoid: taking less than 15 times income as cover, waiting till your 40s or 50s, skipping riders, choosing the cheapest plan without checking claims ratio, not telling your family about the policy location, hiding facts at issuance to get a cheaper premium. Here's the bottom line: buy early. Premiums stay locked in for life. Calculate your cover. Don't guess. Add the right riders for extra security. Be honest with disclosures. Claims will get approved faster. Term insurance isn't an expense. It's your family's financial lifeline. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. Share it with someone who keeps delaying this decision. And drop your questions in the comments. And if you're ready to take action, check the pinned link below for a free consultation. Because in life, uncertainty is guaranteed. But with the right term plan, your family's future doesn't have to be.